Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this video also we are going to do the problems based on trigonometric identities, and dear students, our intent is only one thing behind doing these videos. Only I am doing these videos for the use of those students who feel very difficult to solve the board exams of CBSE or ICSE 10th standard. Okay. For them, I want to provide all the details of all the chapters in my videos. So that's from my side. I will give you I can help it out for all the students who are preparing for 10th board exams of either CBSE or any other state curriculum. This will be useful for all the state boards and ICSE, CBSE, any curriculum. These problems will be helpful, and I'm telling you in the beginning only, if you are not understanding anything in my videos, then you can just comment whether there is any doubts or anything more you want. You can put them in the comment box. Okay, I will answer to that, and I'll do the videos on those topics also which you demand. Okay, so anyways, so let us solve it. So what is that? Here we need to prove that sin power 8 theta minus cos power 8 theta is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. It's a very simplest pattern. Just you need to solve this by using some algebraic identity. Let us see what it is. First let us start with LHS part. So here LHS part we took. Now what is that LHS? Sin power 8 theta minus cos power 8 theta. Alright. So this is LHS part which we took. Okay. Now for my convenience, I want to write this as sin to the power of 4 theta whole square minus cos to the power of 4 theta whole square. Okay. I just modified these terms. Why I modified like this? Just see. I want to take the advantage of the formula a square minus b square, which can be splitted into which pattern? Okay, a plus b into a minus b. This is what my planning. Okay, so we can write this a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, right. Sin power 4 theta whole square minus cos power 4 theta whole square can be written as what? Here if you consider sin power 4 theta as a and cos power 4 theta as b, then we can expand this in this pattern or not? Yes. So how can we expand it? A minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b? Or else a plus b into a minus b. The thing is same. Okay. Now sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, means this is a minus b, this is a plus b, where a is sin power 4 theta and b is cos power 4 theta. Right? We have two brackets over here. Solve the first bracket first and next this one. Okay. Now write down the first bracket. Okay. How can we write it? Again, sin power 4 theta can be written as what? Sin square theta whole square minus cos power 4 theta can be written as what? Cos square theta to that again whole square. Now this is your first part. Okay. Now again we rewrite this sin power 4 as sin square theta whole square minus cos power 4 theta as cos square theta whole square. Okay, and now I want to write this again I want to rewrite this term also. Okay, modify this sin power 4 theta. Sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta to that whole square, and cos power 4 theta also can be written as what? Cos square theta whole square. Right? Okay. Now again if you consider, this one is again in the form of what? If you consider this sin square theta as a and this cos square theta as b, Now again this is in the form of what? A square minus b square or not? Yes. This is a, this is b, then this is a square, this is b square, means this is in the form of what? A square minus b square again. So a square minus b square can be splitted to what? Splitted into a minus b into a plus b again. Okay, see here. Now this is a minus b, means what? Sin square theta minus cos square theta. So see this. Sin square theta minus cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? Means this is splitted into a minus b into a plus b pattern. Sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square can be splitted into sin square theta minus cos square theta into sin square theta minus cos square theta, right? Okay, now again come to this. Now this is in the form of what? If you consider sin square theta as a and cos square theta as b over here in this bracket, now this is in the form of a plus a square plus b square. So tell me what I said you, a square plus b square can be written as what? Once again I am repeating that there is an algebraic formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. If you get this 2ab to this side, then it becomes minus 2ab. Then what happens? A plus b whole square minus 2ab equal to a square plus b square. Can we rewrite like this or not? By just bringing this 2ab to this side. Okay, then what happens? A plus b whole square minus 2ab equal to what? A square plus b square. So here the expression is in the form of what? A square plus b square. We can write this a square plus b square like this, means a plus b whole square minus 2 plus b whole square minus 2ab. What is a plus b whole square? Here a is sin square theta and b is cos square theta to that whole square minus 2ab. What is 2ab? 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, this is what you can do the expansion like this. Okay, right. Now let me identify some trigonometric identities here also in this expression. Where they are, let me look at the identities with red color. So see here, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and here also inside the bracket this is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Tell me what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Is it 1 or not? Yes. So we can put the 1 in place of sin square theta plus cos square theta from the identities of trigonometry, right? So anyways, so here we can write this as sin square theta minus cos square theta into 1 into, see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, that means 1 square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, right? So how can we write this finally? We don't need to write this one separately. So 1 into everything will be the same number will be obtained. So sin square theta minus cos square theta into 1 square is 1 itself minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So I think we obtained our required answer, which is RHS. So students, like this we can solve. So if you carefully observe from last 2 or 3 problems, we are using all the algebraic identities like a cube plus b cube, a square plus b square, a square minus b square. Means while solving the trigonometric identities also we need to make use of algebra. Means all the formulas or special products of algebra are very important to solve other parts of the mathematics also. This is best example. Understood? Anyways, let us solve one more problem to get more practice.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.